Hey guys, Brian with VetteSource checking in this evening, bringing another part of our collection of new old stock Corvette parts out here so you guys can check them out. This one here is a newer new old stock part. This would be a GM 2586 4433. These are matte package, of course, made in the USA, but in every language, right there, ensemble des top. So they've got plenty of that for people if they're not from here. So without further ado, here's our matte package. This would be a set of black floor mats for 2005 to 2013 Corvettes. Now, if you've seen a couple of my other videos, I did a video presentation of a set of 1988 35th anniversary floor mats. And then another time I did a presentation of a set of 40th anniversary 1993 Corvette floor mats that were all new old stock in the box. And I think I may have done another set, I don't remember. But anyway, these are always neat. And the reason why I kind of chase these down as new old stock, simply because these are some of the first things you look at when you get in a guy's car, a girl's car. And you're looking like liking to keep your car looking nice. And this is one of the things that people see in addition to the steering wheels. And for those that like steering wheels, I have done some videos on those Dodge Viper new old stock steering wheels that I have. But these are just real nice. Now, I will say that as the years have progressed, you can tell that the quality, the build characteristics of these, the manufacturing process, has gotten to be a little bit cheaper. There's more plastic involved, and they've got the grommets in here, they've got this, but these are not as durable as even the 1988, the 93, the 96, the C4 mats, or even the C4s that came out. So I think that's just a process or a condition of the world we're living in, guys and gals. It's not a slam on General Motors or anything, but that's just the way they're doing things now. So, they're trying to cut back on cost anywhere they can. Of course, profit motivation is always out there. We live in a capitalist society. But they're nice mats, but I don't think that these are going to hold up as well as, say, an older one will. So, with that being said, these are nice. They're new. They're brand new. They've never been out of this box. So I've got them available. I'll turn my rant function off right now. But if you've got a need for them or like to see if I can find you another set of mats, just let me know. My name is Brian. I'm with VetteSource. My number is 832-654-7367. Been dealing in nothing but Corvette parts for 20 plus years. So there's always more stuff available. So if you don't see anything here that you need or would like to comment or contact me through the comment sections below, go ahead and do that way too, and I'll get back to you. But again, I'd like to thank everybody for sticking around to the end, and probably be back tomorrow with some more of my new old stock parts. I got quite a few more I want to get through before the end of the first quarter here, just so I can get a video description of them. And thanks again, and I will check back with you guys tomorrow. See you then.